Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about a USB air pump for fish tank. I got this pump from Amazon. There's a different types of pumps available in Amazon with different prices. I choose this one. This is cost around 600 rupees, and the pump looks very small and less weight also, so you can carry this pump anywhere easily. The pump is running with USB charger and a power bank. I will show you this pump is running in USB charger. And now we are going to open the packet. Let's see what are the things are inside the packet. First the tube. We'll keep the tube away. And the pump. The pump is packed in separate packet. And the buckles and one small stone is available. This is the stone and buckles. Let's keep it away and get out the pump from the packet. This is the pump. This is the green color one, made with good plastic. And the cable, USB cable. And this one, the stone, the small stone, and the plastic bubbles. And we are going to fix the bubbles. Just open the bubble and fix it in the pump. It's too easy, and you can hang the pump anywhere near the tank. And this is the tube. The tube length will be 1 meter, and looks very good and flexible also. And now I am going to connect the airstone tube and the pump, everything. One end of the tube should be connected with airstone, and it is fixed very easily. And another end of the tube should be connected with the pump. And now the both ends are connected. It's ready now. And just remove this one, and the cable, USB cable length will be 1 meter. And the charger is ready now. And now I am going to connect the USB cable to the charger. Just turn on the switch, and the pump is running right now, and you can hear the sound. And now I will show you how the air bubbles are coming out. Just put the airstone into the bowl and just turn on the switch. The pump is running now. The air bubbles are coming out. And don't keep that pump in a flat surface in running condition. Just keep it in smooth surfaces. And thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.